Ano?
At Top Sports and Pilipinas HD by Gino Trinidad. And Top Sports starting 6 p.m. Sporting bouts will start at around Diamond Lady Bieke. This is 12 rounds of the championship boxing in the 129.6 pounds for Year Jalahazi Diamond Lady Bieke. City Bohol. Let's go down for John Verhil Valiente Vitor. And his official weight 129.6 pounds for the champion, who will be defending his title from Barangay Bugoy, Tagbilaran City Featherweight Championship. Ladies and gentlemen, big question is, will that belt stay here in the Philippines or will it fly to China? There's only one way to find out, so join us for Kumong Polanon Whole Wisdom School Gym. It will be covered live by Blast TV and Top Sports by Pilipinas HD. Our official fight commentator, ladies and gentlemen, for Kumong Polanon 17, no less than the Dean himself, Mr. Quinito Henson. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Our City Vice Mayor Adam Halal, the winner with the City Councilors of the City of Peace and Friendship.
Friends from the media, and of course, our very supportive City Councilors and Vice Mayor Adam Halal. May I request them to please join me here on stage, Attorney Vice Mayor Adam Hala, Councilor Buchi Zamora, Councilor Undoy Borja, Councilor Tim Butalid, Councilor Charles Cabalit, Councilor Bebot Budlong, our ABC President, Kapitan Bayong Bangalao, Councilor Jonas Cancho, Councilor Odi Globasa. On behalf of the City Government of Tagbilaran, Mayor Jane Yap, Vice Mayor Adam Hala, and all the 105,000 Tagbilaranons would like to officially welcome you to the City of Peace and Friendship, dakong garbo sa atong syudad sa Tagbilaran na mahus na pod ang kaning atong boxing championship tournament. Rest assured nga ang atong city government mag-suporta sa kanunay sa atong kalalayang mga boxing champions, especially ang atong mga Bulanon boxers.
By using the cell phone. I don't want you guys to do that. So whoever is working at a job,
Kana. Oh, mana nindot?
Before we announce the official result, let's give a round of applause to our two boxers inside the ring. One of the boxers refuses to continue after the end of the second round. And we have your winner by technical knockout, or TKO, Christian Bonchon Barluna. After 10 rounds of professional boxing, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Ayelito Piquero scores the bout 96 to 94. Judge Efrain Puerta Jr. scores the bout 97 to 93. And Judge John Ray Bunyao scores the bout 98 to 92. For your winner, via unanimous decision, yes! Raymar, the Cebuano Assassin Takakano. OIC Boxing Division. Supervising this championship bout, Dr. Oliver Evangelista. We go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Efrain Puerta Jr. scores the bout 77 to 75.
Yes!
Judge John Ray Bunyao scores the bout 78 to 74. And Judge Arjon Siroy scores the bout also 78-74. And your winner via unanimous decision. And the new Philippine Female Light Flyweight Champion from BMI Moto, Althea Deshawn Flores.
Para mga Bulacan, sir, the former mayor of the Tacloban City. Of the second round, winner by knockout, Jerwin the Gladiator of Cebu and the new WBO Oriental Welterweight Champion.
Gusto ko talagang tanaw kasi ng wato nung gusto na mahina mo pero wait kung lawas gusto no response pero hindi na ko wato ng plano so mali uba na lang ako discarding.
What's up? And champion! Let's go. Doy! Saka.
Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go! Lunchtime!
Kuwang ba yan ang isa? Gitwa ng pas.
Dagan.
Apa yang ditulis kata gue?